Namaste students. खुश रहो बिटिया. I JBN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic. Importance and scope of validation. Importance and scope of validation is very important topic for the quality assurance subject for the B Pharm 6th semester students. Firstly, we will discuss about the what is validation. What is validation according to WHO and according to US FDA. Firstly, discuss according to WHO. It is the establishment of documented evidence that a system it is supposed to do. According to US FDA, the process of establishing documented evidence which provides a high degree of assurance that a specific process will consistently produce a product with its predetermined specification and quality attributes. Now we come to the what is the merits and what is the importance of the validation, assurance of quality compliance, optimization of resource and manufacture product at lowest possible cost, fewer failure, fewer rejects, fewer retest, fewer reworks, and fewer wastage. Uh, it is a uh, it is a practice that must be followed for manufacturing, distribution, selling, or licensing. Efficient production operation. So now we come to the exact topic: scope of validation and importance of validation. Selection of raw material, that is raw material of desired quality attributes, and product design based on the expected performance. Process design to build the desired quality attributes in the product, and design of control parameters such as change control, acceptance criteria, tolerance limit, etc. In process quality control parameters and sampling plans. Now next point is finished product testing or evaluation criteria. Validation of related analytical process, validation of related system, facilities and equipments. Personal training. Validation involves a careful determination of criteria variables of the process, such as moisture content of granules, drying temperature of time, etc. And then establishment of acceptable range and tolerance limit of the same. A careful and continuous control of these variable will ensure consistent product quality. So now we come to the relationship between the validation and qualification. Uh, Qualification and validation are very essentially the same term. Qualification is normally used for equipment and utilities, and validation is for system and process. In this sense, qualification can be seen as the part of the validation. Selection of raw material is also very important for the desired quality attributes. Uh, so, uh, so this the validation, a written report of the outcome to be produced. Validation over a period of time, example at least 3 consecutive batches, full production scale to demonstrate consistency, process material and equipment to prove consistency yield of a product of the required quality. Uh, what is the importance of validation? Validation assures a great importance for quality assurance and cost reduction. Validation process product fit for intended use, and quality, safety, and effectiveness may be designed and built into product. Validation is key element in assuming the quality of the product. So this is the complete session. And validate scope is the process of the formalizing acceptance, of the complete project deliverable, a process that shows the stakeholders have received what was agreed and formalizing their approval. It is primarily concerned with the recognition of by product validation each deliverable. So this is the complete session for the importance and scope of validation. This session powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class on every Tuesday. So thank you for this session, and thank you for the listening. Thank you, students.